next element we have here is VA, NVA or W. So this stands for value adding process or value adding task, non-value adding but necessary, and the waste. The value adding process or the tasks are the tasks which are contributing to the final product or to the final service for which the customer is willing to pay. And necessary non-value adding activities are the activities which are not adding any value but are necessary because of the present condition, law or the technology we have. We want to deliver, for example, any software, and the skill level of the programmer is not at the peak, so that need to be tested, checked by 2 or 3 senior engineers, for example. And so customer is not paying for the 2, 3 or 5 or 10 time testing. He is paying only for the end result or for the software, but because of our present conditions or the skill level, we have to do it. So these are the necessary but non-value adding. Others could be that because of government regulations we have to do a lot of documentation or the testing, send the reports. These all could be the activities which are not adding any value but we have to do. And the third category is the waste activities. So we have 8 type of waste which we are going to discuss further also in more detail. These are the waste. They don't add any value to product or to the service. They consume time, they consume resources. Mostly they are very hard to recognize, to see, could be valid in the past but not valid today, and there we have big potential of improvement if we could eliminate these tasks. So with this definition of value adding, necessary, non-value adding, and the waste definition from the customer point of view, we have to mark all the activities, all the process step in our process flow diagram, which activity is value adding, which activity is waste, or which activity is necessary, and we have to mark and see which we can eliminate. If we see there are 1 or 2 activities which are completely waste and which could be eliminated, then we have to write the Kaizen flashes or the improvement potential there, that with this type of continuous improvement process automation or anything else we can eliminate them. And then if you are sure, you can take these process steps out of your first draft of process flow diagram, because we know that we could eliminate these processes with some process improvements. And then when you take these processes out, then you can focus on the remaining, because it doesn't make sense to optimize or to consider the steps for further analysis when we know we could anyways eliminate them completely. So it would be the waste of focus and waste of resources. So eliminate or put them to the side and then go further on the activities which you have to keep in the process for the further analysis.